Once you taste these, regular potatoes will never be enough again. Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, place the fresh chopped parsley. Add the oil. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Add the grated or minced garlic cloves. Season with the salt and the pepper. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper, then the chili flakes. Stir until it is well blended. If you have more potatoes, add more oil. Please support the channel by watching the ads. They play before the video begins and after. Wash and peel the potatoes. Here I've added the sweet potatoes for those who are on low carb diet. These roasted potatoes are the kind of side dish that disappears fast, so you will not regret preparing them. Chop them into quarters or any size of choice, but they should look the same size so they can cook or be ready at the same time. Pat them dry. Please let me know in the comments which other side dishes you would like us to try. Put the potatoes into the oil mixture and coat them with the mixture. Place them on a lined baking tray. Continue coating the potatoes until they are all done. If you are new to this channel or you have never subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It's free to subscribe. Spread the leftover oil on the potatoes. Sprinkle the finely grated Parmesan cheese on the potatoes. If you like easy, delicious cooking and baking recipes, please let me know in the comments section below. Bake them between 25 to 35 minutes, or depending on how golden you would like them to be. Once the roast time was over and they were not as golden as I would like them to be, I put them on the shelf higher than the first one to give them that golden color. An amazing aroma filled my kitchen. They were crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, bursting with flavor, savory, totally irresistible. Please do not forget to press the like button below. I hope you will enjoy this side dish or these snacks. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.